Hello guys, for another video. In today's video I will show you a site very powerful, can use it to find juicy trends and great ideas to upload on Redbubble. I started using this site 2 weeks ago and he make me some good results, and you already know when I find a useful method can help you to get more sales on Redbubble and make you more money. I am showing you this method as quickly as possible. The only way to reward me is to subscribe to the channel and give the video a like, and of course I appreciate if you share this video. The site is popular and most of you already know it, but you never take advantage from it, so let's get started. So without talking too much, the site is BUZZFEED, and a lot of you already know this site because it have a huge monthly traffic and also known one of the biggest entertainment sites in internet. So some people will say how this site can help us to get hot ideas and trends and use it on Redbubble. So BUZZFEED is an entertainment site and also a news site, and he publish more than 300 articles a day, and most of them have a huge engagement. And also this site have almost 50 categories in general. It means you have more than 50 niches to work on it. So there is 2 ways to find trend ideas from this site. Because almost all pictures of celebrities was taken from their regular lives, they weren't just a regular clothes, and people when they say that famous person, and if they follow him and love him, probably they will search from that clothes. For example, Ariana Grande, anytime Ariana Grande was shot wearing certain clothes, those clothes become a trend and the next day. And the second method is the most powerful one, and also it's simple. Just go to search bar and type t-shirt like this. Now the site give us all topics have the word of t-shirt. You just scroll down and see for any idea and the latest articles you can make a design from it. And I will give you the way how I make $200 last week from this site using this method. I just see a funny phrase have a huge engagement on the trends topics on BuzzFeed, and it posted just 13 minutes ago, so I copy that phrase and paste it on TeamHand to check if there is a copyright problem. After, I open canva.com because I work just with Canva, but sometimes I must use Illustrator if I want to create an illustration design. So I open Canva and I create a simple text design, and of course I scale this design by just changing the font and using Canva illustration because I have the pro version from Canva, and I make 28 designs from that funny phrase. And you don't believe it, just I think 4 hours I get 18 sales because people start searching for that phrase. And of course I have no competition because I am the only one who used that funny phrase. I guess this idea is clear. You can use the first method or you can use the second method. And remember guys, one design can change your journey on brand on demand business. And of course you can be creative of the ways I give you here and make your own original ways. So guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and see you on the next video.